Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by readying the essentials. Update your laptop and dock firmware so everything talks the same language. Now plug the dock into power, then connect the Thunderbolt cable to the dock's TB port and your computer. This order prevents negotiation errors. Once done, watch the dock LED or laptop prompt to confirm a secure link. Make sure any required drivers install automatically. If Windows asks, allow device software. This initial sequence unlocks display output, Ethernet, and USB hubs. Once the physical connections are set, you'll configure how everything behaves. Plug monitors into the dock's video outputs, and then open your OS display settings to arrange positions and set resolutions. This ensures cursor flow and scaling are correct. Next, connect USB peripherals and external drives. Allow a moment for drives to mount. Also enable the dock's Ethernet if you need more stable network performance. If you use power delivery, verify laptop charging shows the expected wattage, so battery management is consistent. To finish, verify charging, displays, audio, and Ethernet all work together. Test a file transfer and an external monitor refresh to confirm stability. If something fails, reboot both the laptop and dock because many handshakes resolve on restart. Make sure dock firmware and drivers are current using Dell's update tool. Updating often fixes subtle compatibility problems. If problems persist, swap the Thunderbolt cable, try another host port, and check BIOS Thunderbolt security settings. These steps usually reveal the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.